Hi friends, we're going to talk about the letter R today. The letter R says er. Here's our alpha friend for the week, Reggie Rooster. Do you hear the sound at the beginning of Reggie and Rooster? Here's some more words that begin with the sound. Rat, rap, rhyme. What about the word top? Top. Do you hear the sound at the beginning of top? No. You hear the t sound made by the letter T. Here's another one. What about the word queen? Queen. Do you hear the sound at the beginning of queen? No. You hear the qu sound made by the letter Q. Here's one more. What about the word pat? Pat. What sound do you hear at the beginning of pat? P, p, not Okay. Let's look at the whiteboard for a minute to talk about how to properly form or write the letter R. On the top, I'm going to show you the capital R. Now, when you're writing a capital R, you're going to start at this very top line. You start at the top line, come all the way down, trace it right back up. Notice I do not lift up my pencil, my marker. Make a hump like a B and come down. That's a capital R. Do not pick your marker up if you're practicing on your little dry erase board that you got out of your brown paper sack. Do not pick your marker up. Start at the top line all the way down as straight as you can. Stop there, back up. You're making kind of a hump for a B, just like that. Down, up to the dotted line, there. Now, when we're making the lowercase r, we're not starting at the top line. We're starting at this dotted line right here. And we're coming down again, tracing back up, touching that little dotted line just like that. So there's no big humps to make, but you don't pick up your marker or if you're practicing with your pencil. Dotted line down to the bottom line, trace it back up. Try to keep it as close to on that line right there. This is what you don't want it to look like that, okay? It takes a lot of practice. You've got to come right back up very slowly. Down, up, and back around. This is something really great for you to practice on with your little dry erase board, your little clear pocket with the thicker piece of paper in there that we sent home in your brown bag. Take your dry erase marker, practice some of this. Take your little green felt eraser, erase it. Okay, remember, leave that little piece of white paper inside there, okay? Now, real quick, we're gonna have a prop change. There we go. I think that went pretty well. Let's look at the top. We've got Reggie Rooster, and in this picture, he is looking for things in the ocean. He is looking to see what he can find, okay? But the things that he wants all have to start with the sound. So here's Reggie Rooster. Right here, they've got the ending part of the word for you, ip, and they want you to fill in right here. Which one of these has the sound at the beginning that would say ip? Let's look. What color is this crayon? Red. I'm going to write that on here. Red. But the end of this word is ed. Now, what's going on with this pair of jeans here? There is a rip. Rip. R-I-P. So this is a rip. We're going to circle that one. Let's look right here. We've got the ending letters as ag, okay? This, what's hanging out of this pail, this is a rag. This is a rope. They both begin with but this one is the rag, ag, rag. Let's look at this one. This one has M at the end. Well, let's start with this. What is this? This is a ring. Remember that ing at the end? Ring. This right here, the arrow, this is a ball. They're pointing to the rim of the ball. Rim. They both begin with the but this is the rim. Let's look at the last one. What is this a picture of? Raccoon. I'll write that big word out for you. Raccoon. It does begin with but what is this? They're looking for a word that has am at the end. This animal with the big horns is a ram. Ram. So it looks like Reggie has found all of the things that he is looking for. We'll do some more practice later on in the week. Have a good day.